Hello designers. Today we will learn how to fix Photoshop's scratch disk are full errors. When you encounter this error, that means that your hard disk used as scratch disk is running out of storage space that required to perform a task. So today we will learn some methods to solve this problem. As you can see, we don't have enough space in our system. Most of the time, the scratch disks are full problem occur due to low space in system. So our first method will be to remove unnecessary files from the system or free up some space. So let's free up some space. Now let's refresh. Some space has been freed up from the system. Let's run Photoshop again. Now open a previous file. Now try editing this file. For example, I'm taking the text object. As you can see, the problem still exists. So let's move on the next step. In this method, we will clear Photoshop cache. So click Edit, click Purge and All, and press OK. This will delete temporary files and free up some space. Our problem still exists. So let's see the final step. Since it didn't work even after freeing up a space, so we need to change the directory of the scratch disk. Click Edit and Preferences and click Scratch Disk. Now select any location and remove system location and press OK. You can also set multiple scratch disks. Now let's try to edit this file. You can also adjust and set more RAM usage by Photoshop from Performance option. As you can see, our problem is gone. There are no encounter messages. I hope this tutorial has solved your problem. There are many videos on this channel related to hardware and software troubleshooting and other topics. Don't forget to watch. Thanks for watching. See you in the next videos.